Okay guys, good afternoon. Welcome to our drive. And currently we're here at Cebu South Coastal Road and just passing by CCLX. And it's a beautiful afternoon drive. We rarely have, recorded drives in the afternoon because normally we go out in the morning and go home at night. But today we are watching the beautiful afternoon drive here in Cebu, and this is the traffic. So this is a Sunday traffic, by the way, so you might be wondering. So today we just have a talk about how was your year in 2025. Let's get a recap, like an annual recap of what happened for the last 12 months of our lives. I'm pretty sure you have a lot of things to tell. I guess for me, January was like all about Sinulog. February, I think so may February na drive. So February is like Valentine's Day, Chinese New Year na time. Nothing much happening, but I guess it was the heart of the election season also. So ang March, April, ug May was all about but mga January na kung February I went to Manila day for some Samsung events. Diba? I even went to Siargao this year because of Julian. He won a raffle. Then he travel na mo ni at tumig Siargao on the weekend. Then nargamig Manila on the pag-abot mo sa Cebu, I think Monday, Tuesday larga na sa Manila because we had an event for Samsung here in Manila. So there were a lot of Samsung products, I guess, na among na feature like Galaxy AI mga and also the Fold and the Flip. Amazing products. By March and April, it was the heart of the election season. So I was able to meet some candidates. I met during the election season, I met Kiko Pangilinan, some senatoriables na mga dili kay as famous pero yeah. And also si local candidates, of course, from si Governor Gwen Garcia, who unfortunately lost. Si Governor Pambari 4 who won. So I was in the campaign trail also na appeal ta dito. Kuyog lang ko just to listen to their platforms and sa mga plans ani mga tawhana diri sa tong country, sa mga tawhana di man makaliko. and sorry sa swaying, and we had of course many issues at itong panahon na lagi kanang ato laging team nilang BBM na kuan, diba, naghantig basher gani cover ka to. It's so funny sa hayang politika, diba? Kita ko lang ni Pacquiao, Tito Soto, but the campaign trail was fun. But after the elections, ito na sa big hole sa kumanghod, diba, kung sa kamanghod ang youngest brother went home kay na grand homecoming ang ilang badge sa ilang high school in Bohol. Dito to siya sa Bohol nag high school. So sa kolehiyo ay nagkolada CMM, Colegio Milagrosa, siya miraculous medal na isa, Vidalia Milagrosa. So they went to Bohol, and afterwards we went to Siargao. June. Well, still start of classes, bagong lingkod ang mga opisyales. But I think nibiyahe na sa ko Manila na for Samsung once again sa mga June, July. Kaya what eh. So yung biyahe rin Manila tungkol din yung Samsung. So pa mo ma-recall. Wala August, July akong brother ni balik. And also I helped organize sa CDM na food fair which we call Cebu in a Bite. And yeah, it was successful. It was a happy event na daghan na natabangan ng mga SMNEs na you know, na maapil aning mga yan na event sa atong yan sa Cebu Business Month. Then afterwards my brother came home na other brother, they stayed in IT Park. Ato sa Migbohol of course kadiyot, but we also went to Bantayan. Di ba? Nagkahitabo last year, and then you know, then September came. It was really busy sad ba, and then suddenly mo to on September 30 was the earthquake. Yan ita kalimutan na. Yeah, mala katong earthquake. Then afterwards mo to mga relief efforts, nahitabo, and then tabang mga tao of course, and of course mga big news sa Cebu, how to recover, how people help, how people volunteered, how people donated, you know, sa relief efforts, diba? Tinamagay na to sa big story by the way, but suddenly pag abot na mga end of October, mga so sa mga middle of October, namatyan may uncle akong wife, si Uncle Nick, diba? And nasa deaths lagi ng tuiga na mamatay si Uncle Nick. Then we had, you know, si Max Limpag also, who had, you know, akong last event niya he was helping the campaign of Governor Junjun Davide in last May. Di ba, nangadto po may Argao. Ano na ko na mention ganina, one of the personalities na among, you know, kitabangan si Junjun Davide, and so, he lost, but yeah, kitabangan ako sa Max, because Max was also, we even went to Buluon kay siya gina ang journalist to really push on the story katong Buluon church panels na iya ginang gitrabahuan ba, and until na uli na ginang panels that is Buluon nagikawat way back. So it was like wow. Then suddenly namatay sa siya. It was really, you know, sad. So karong, you know, then afterwards pag November naabot pag yung Typhoon Tino, which caused a lot of death and floods there sa Cebu. Diba? And grabe. And then even until now niabot Tino, niabot ang Uwan, so daghan tong bagyo niabot na rin kang Wilma. Na supposedly karon I think Wilma is affecting weather sa Visayas, although there is atuan ni hayag na. So it's a crazy, it was, you know, and then karon Christmas season na, so a lot of people nag-pull back sa ilang parties, ilang wa nila, di ba, wa sila nag-party, wa nag celebrate o Christmas kay tungod aning mga nahitabo, diba? And then kasabot sa gyud some of the funds are really kuan nila, i-allocate nila to help sa mga biktima, diba, na para kalisod magpasko no, kung gubaan og balay, gubaan og ang balay na gubaan og ano yun, namatian, diba? Nagkupan ng mga butang, na wipe out, lisod kayo na, itong palagi nabahaan, diba? Nabaha sa tanan, mga appliance, mga furniture, diba? And it's a good thing na uba na nagkagulahon na anak. So mana, kudos to all, and hopefully mana, ang paura na ikuhan sa December, And come on, how was your year? What can you recall for every month of the year? Kasi mga highlight. I think dapat din natin ingana, no? Natin yung mga monthly highlights sunod na drive. Para, in a way, natin yung own remembrance, own diary on the events of our lives. Okay? So, ganun. Diba? What? Okay ba? At least you can look back. Bitaw, nindot na mag-journaling ba? You can look back and see what were your thoughts, your feelings, and even the important events that happened to you personally. So thank you so much for watching, guys. And you know, we're here na sa Mandaue City, beautiful Mandaue City, Oano Avenue. And thank you. See you. Bye.